Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today we're making broccoli that you'll actually want to eat. This is how I got my kids to love broccoli. I make it this way so easily and so quickly. Let me show you how and let's get started. I'm gonna cook the broccoli in a cast iron pan. You can cook it whichever way you want. This is a 13-inch pan. Try to arrange in one layer. This is about 2 pounds of broccoli. I add 3.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, canola oil, it has to be a high smoking point oil. You're gonna mix it in with the broccoli, but before you do that, you're gonna add some onion, red onion, about half a cup. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix in everything very well. You're gonna roast or bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 15 minutes. We're building great flavors here. You're gonna need 1/8 of a cup of a great balsamic vinegar. It's thick and nice. If yours is not as thick, you're gonna have to reduce it on top of the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it becomes like this, like a glaze. You're gonna need 1/8 of a cup. It's a good idea to invest in a good quality balsamic vinegar. It makes a big difference in flavor and it'll last you a long time. Next, you're gonna add 1/8 cup of a good quality honey. Add every little bit. Mix them together very well. Add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. It's gonna add a nice smoky flavor to the broccoli. It's been 15 minutes. The broccoli's been cooking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's looking perfect. It's starting to crisp and have a nice color. I'm gonna add a handful of raw pecans. I try to break them up a little bit, add on top of the broccoli, and then add the glaze. Mix it in very well with the broccoli. If you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. Follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. Put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes at the same temperature. And this is what you're gonna get. Perfectly cooked and charred broccoli, nice caramelized onions, and the pecans are crunchy, tangy and sweet all at the same time. I really hope you give this recipe a try. This 2-pound broccoli dish disappeared in less than half an hour. They loved it. Give it a try, will you? Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!